For Besan Halwa, these are the ingredients we're going to need. Of course, some besan, brown flour, regular sugar, a pinch of green cardamom, a pinch of salt, dry fruits such as pistachios and slivered almonds, rose water, and a cup of milk. I'm also using about a cup of Crisco's vegetable shortening. I don't like the smell of ghee or clarified butter, but if you like ghee, clarified butter, go ahead and use that instead of shortening. Alright, I have turned on the stove and I'm going to add the shortening, or let's say your clarified butter. I'm going to let it become hot. After heating up the shortening, or let's say your clarified butter, I am adding our ground flour and besan, and we're going to roast or fry or cook it until it turns golden brown in color. Make sure your heat is not too high or too low. Medium high will be perfect. Remember, it's not going to take too long to your besan becomes golden in color, so make sure you don't want to burn it. Okay, as you can see, the besan has changed its color to golden brown. Now I'm adding the sugar. And a pinch of salt and green cardamom. And adding the milk. You need to make sure that you have to keep stirring it while you're making this halwa, because you don't want any lumps, or you don't want the halwa to stick to the bottom of your pan. It barely took me about 3 minutes to cook the besan in the fat or clarified butter. And now I'm going to cook the halwa for further another 4 to 5 minutes. You see how the bottom of your pot or pan has become clear and sleeve in the bottom. Another secret I want to share with you guys, that if you want a smooth and silky texture in your halwa, add a little bit of heavy cream. It makes it taste even better, and the texture will feel even better.